Hi guys, and welcome back. I know sometimes we love to have our good friends over for a cocktail party, impromptu or strategically planned, whatever the case may be. But I've come up with something that I think is so fun, and it's called the Dirty Cranberry. Now, I am not a huge mixologist by any stretch of the imagination, but this one I think is pretty good. So we're going to get right into it. First of all, we have 1 part or a half a part of agave. Now, on this one, on this cocktail, you guys, you have to be pretty precise in the amounts because you're working with gin. And I find that working with gin, you have to be fairly on it. Gin doesn't give a lot of area for, a lot, too much, or a little bit. You have to be right on it. All right, guys, so 1 teaspoon of agave, and then that's 1 ounce of triple sec. All right. Then we go 2 ounces of our gin. Two ounces of our vodka. And we're going to give that a good stir. Okay, and then goes in 2 parts cranberry juice. And guys, this is the unsweetened, okay? It is the full-on 100% cranberry juice. So that's why we added that little bit of agave. Or you could add honey, or you can do simple syrup if you like that. And then get our ice. All right, now this goes over our ice. And we're gonna top this with, woo! And then, guys, we top it with our cranberry ginger ale. And for a skinny cocktail, you can do what I do and use the 0 sugar. Top that with our garnish, and there you go. The Dirty Cranberry. Let's give that a try. Oh, that's so good, you guys. It's just the right amount of tartness, and the cranberry and the gin together, it brings out that wonderful floral note of the juniper in that gin. That is really amazing. This is a good cocktail that you can sip on when you have rich foods on your appetizer, buffet, or whatever, because it's not so rich that it dulls the palate. It's bright and refreshing. You guys are going to love this. You guys give this a try and let me know what you think about this. If you do your own twist on it, I want to hear from you about that too, all right? So give it a try. Cheers with the Dirty Cranberry. We'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.